Alright, so look, this is the new one. We're gonna go ahead and start breaking into it. We got the wheels off. I had to go and get a wheel key from my boy Drew. Of course, all these threads is done for. These things are ridiculous. But today we're gonna go ahead and focus on getting this engine out of here. So first things first, we're gonna drain all the fluids. I have Zoe taking out the battery right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get under the car, start draining oil, draining coolant. Then we're gonna have to put it into some bottles and stuff so it's not just sitting around. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna focus on right now.
They hurt.
They hurt?
Yeah, I need little tiny gloves. I don't have gloves with me.
I'll get you some from work. Get you some tiny Tony gloves. Hey, check it out. Parents got the tortoise. What's up, buddy?
Oh man, I ain't doing nothing.
Huh? I should stop? Why?
Say it again.
Huh?
Say it again.
Blowhead gasket, for sure. Straight chocolate milk.
Alright, good morning. I got out here early today. It's kind of cold. I'm gonna start getting this engine out. I've never taken an engine out of a Subaru before. I've kind of already been out here working for about an hour. Just draining coolant, draining oil. Got the intake off. Started ripping off the that upper coolant thing up there. I don't know what it's called. Somebody help me out. Took out that upper coolant thing. Now I'm just working on getting out the alternator, then the AC compressor and power steering. I'm gonna try and take those out so I don't have to recharge everything. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. And now we got this engine taking out this piece. Engine's out. That was my first engine pull, y'all. I'm proud of myself, to be honest. That was not easy to do. Well, it wasn't too bad, to be honest with you, because the transmission was already out. Had to take out the intake manifold first. Once I got the intake manifold out, well, alternator out, then the intake manifold out. Once I had that taken out, it was really just a few plugs and it came out. Had my dad help me. Yeah, we had to go to Harbor Freight to get some more fluid for the cherry picker. But she's out. Got some stuff wrapped up. We're gonna start hitting this thing with some degreaser. Zoe says she wanted to do a little comparison with, you know, Shop Pro degreaser and then the more expensive stuff degreaser. See what works better. So we'll do half and half. One half the easy stuff, one half the hard stuff. He won't be on camera.
But he's already on camera.
Let's do it. Eesh, my lady dirty. She got down and dirty. Hey, you guys gotta try these though.
Hey,
Too. Kona Big Wave, really good.
For the first time ever, I was inside of a car, like literally.
Sorry, I had to take a sip. Yeah, so engine's out. We started degreasing everything, all in there. We started going ahead and just going at it with some what is it? Steel wool. Some steel wool and some degreaser. And then I jumped out of there, started working on here. Both spindles or steering knuckles on both sides of the front are completely blown. There's no bearings. You can see all the bearing balls there. So we've been just taking all of this apart. Started getting this apart so I'm gonna have to take a steering rack out. I think I'm gonna change the rack and pinion with the other car. And all new bushings on everything. That's coming. Yeah, man, but it's a crazy process. Something I ain't never did before, and I'm kind of enjoying it. My back hurt. Been hunched over this whole time. Ladies helping to clean up. It's getting filthy. We're getting parts off, so it's getting crazy. But we're doing it.
Little by little.
Little by little. Yo, good morning. Dang, I need a haircut. I'm starting to look scruffy. I'm starting this morning sitting inside of the old Subaru. Oh, I missed this car, man. It's kind of pretty sad. I really am gonna miss this thing. There's a lot of memories in this car. I gotta start transferring stuff over to the new car. It was fun, but realistically, this car wasn't gonna ever really be worth anything. Being salvage title, the 03. But we're gonna see. Got a lot of parts to transfer. I can tell there's some spiders in here, some spider webs already. Spiders. But yeah, so getting stuff transferred over. I think I'm gonna keep the wing mirror. I think I'm gonna keep that guy. It's just my phone. Alright, let's get started. Alright, seats. Oh, look at the spider. Can you see him? You see him? You see him? Nah, but got the seats pulled out, got carpet pulled out, got center console pulled out. So the inside of the blue car is naked. I went ahead and cut up that carpet because honestly it was pretty disgusting. Seats are right here. It's crazy. They welded all of the seat brackets. This one's even worse. That one doesn't move at all. This one still slides at least. They got the sliders. But everything's pulled out of the inside of the car. Notice more damage. We got one dent on the dent there. You can probably see that. It's not pretty. That's our shock tower. Not really happy about that. Let's see what I can do about it. And then the floor is buckled a bit from people jacking up. It's typical with the Subarus. It's a hole. That is a hole in the floor. What the fuck? What? Oh, I'm so confused. I'm just I don't know if it's meant to be there from factory or what. Jesus Christ. Anyway, so this is what we got. This is what we got. You know, make it work. Nah, I'm gonna try and make it work to my best of my abilities. Trying to get this thing together.